Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Dakota, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for investors living in Dakota, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback codes and links. There is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this website, you can find all information about important cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrency news, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with your credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and articles about coins. So easy. Now, we should go this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can find information about best cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, Litecoin, Binance Coin, and others. So easy. Now, firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We should click this information button. In this page, you can find information about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Just one click, get BTC button. Let's go.